If you're seeing a Telegram error 404 not found, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get back into your link, group, channel, or user profile as quickly as possible. A 404 error usually means one thing: the resource does not exist anymore, or your device is being directed to the wrong place. That could happen if the invite link was deleted, the username was changed, the link was revoked, or your browser and network settings are causing the wrong page to load. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software and app fixes just like this. It really helps the channel and it means you won't miss the next tutorial. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is verify the invite link. This is the most important step because a 404 error is often not a problem on your side at all. It can simply mean that the Telegram group, channel, or profile you're trying to open no longer exists in that exact form. The administrator may have deleted the group, changed the username, disabled the invite link, or replaced it with a new one. So before you start changing settings on your device, take a close look at the link itself. If you copied it from a message, website, or QR code, make sure there are no missing characters, extra spaces, or typos. If possible, ask the sender or admin to resend the invite link and test that new version. If the new link works, then you've confirmed the original link was the issue. Next, if the link is correct and you're still getting the error, the next fix is to flush your DNS cache. Sometimes your computer stores old network information, and that cache data can send you to the wrong server or an outdated address. On Windows, click in the search bar and type CMD. Then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Once the window opens, type the command ipconfig flush DNS and press enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. This is a fast and safe step, and it can fix strange connection issues without affecting your files or Telegram account. After that, close the window and try the Telegram link again. If you're using Telegram web in a browser, then the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, browsers store cookies, cached images, and site data that can become outdated or corrupted. When that happens, the browser may keep loading an old version of the page or interfere with a fresh connection. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and clear cached files and cookies for Telegram if possible. If you don't want to clear everything, you can also open the link in an incognito or private window. That gives you a clean session without old browser data. This is a great way to test whether the issue is being caused by cached information. If the link opens in incognito but not in the normal browser, then you know the browser cache was the problem. Now let's talk about VPN and proxy settings, because these can also trigger routing problems that look like a 404 error. If you're using a VPN, try turning it off and then back on again. Some regional servers can route your traffic through a location that blocks certain Telegram resources or causes the link to fail. If you're using a proxy inside Telegram or on your device, disable it temporarily and test the link again. Then, if needed, re-enable it after the page loads. In some cases, switching to a different VPN location can also help. For example, if one server is not resolving the link properly, another country or region may load it correctly. This is especially useful if Telegram content behaves differently based on location or network restrictions. If the issue still remains after all of that, try opening the link on a different device or on mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. That can help you figure out whether the issue is tied to your browser, your DNS, your network, or the link itself. If it works elsewhere, then the problem is local to your current setup. If it fails everywhere, then the resource is probably gone, and the only real fix is to get a new invite link from the admin or search for the updated username. So to quickly recap, first verify the invite link because the resource may no longer exist. Then flush your DNS cache using Command Prompt. After that, clear your browser cache or test Telegram web in incognito mode. Finally, reset your VPN or proxy and try different network settings if needed. These steps solve most Telegram 404 errors in just a few minutes. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials and app troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.